Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k if we have k square divided by k is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution of this equation and which of the roots are extraneous root. uh, so further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here in the first method, you see that the k is divided by left hand side, and now we move this k to the right hand side, and it will be written as k square is equals to, when we multiply this k with 1, it will becomes here k. And now in the next step we need to move this k into the left hand side, and it will becomes k square minus k is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here both of these terms involve k, so that we will take common k from here, and when we take common k from here, it will be from here we get k only, minus from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write k is equals to 0, and the second case is we write k minus 1 is equals to 0. So you see that this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we easily get the second value of k, and that is k is equals to plus 1. So this is the second value of k, or second root of the given equation. And here in the next step we need to verify that is both of these values are solution or both of these values are extraneous roots. So for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k square divided by k is equals to 1. So this is the question statement, and here in this side we verify k is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify k is equals to 1. So here first we need to focus on k is equals to 0, so that when we substitute k is equals to 0 into the left hand side, it will becomes this is k square, and we have the value of k is 0 square divided by 0 is equals to 1, and we know that 0 square becomes 0 divided by 0 is equals to 1, and we know about that 0 divided by 0 is usually called that it is the indeterminate form. Okay, so this is the indeterminate form, or in other words we call this is undefined form. So if the left hand side is undefined form, so we just say that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, so we conclude about k is equals to 0 is that k is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so k is equals to 0 be the extraneous root. And further in the next step we move towards k is equals to 1, and we will be check that is k is equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement or not. So when we put k is equals to 1 into the left hand side, it will becomes 1 square divided by 1 is equals to 1, and we know that 1 square becomes 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1, and 1 divided by 1 becomes 1 equals to 1. So this shows that the value of k is equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. We finally conclude about k is equals to 1 is that k equals to 1 be the solution of the given equation. So in the first method we get here k is equals to 0 be the extraneous root, and k is equals to 1 be the solution of the given equation. And now here I can explain the difference between a solution and extraneous root. So the roots which does not satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous roots, and the roots which is satisfied our given question statement is called the solution of that equation. So this is the final conclusion about first method, and now here we move towards our second method, and we again solve this problem. So in second method, here first we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is that k square divided by k is equals to 1. This is our given question statement, and here in this method I can just give you a smartest way to get the values of k. So here in this method we need to focus in the numerator term, and here you have this is k square, and we write k square as k multiplied by k, and it is divided by k is equals to 1. And now you see here this k is cancelled out by this k, and we easily get the value of k is equals to 1. So here this is the final root of the given equation which we get here from second method, and uh, here in the first method we already verified this value of k, and we check that this value of k is the solution of the given equation. So we finally conclude about that k is equals to 1 be the only one solution of the given equation. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.